Our goal is to keep our customers in America. Without American manufacturing, there's no need for companies like Apex Industrial to be around. You know, the biggest thing for us is to make sure that our customers know that, they trust us, that we're leading them in the right direction. They have the confidence in us when they call that, you know, we'll deliver the parts on time, that we'll recommend the product that's going to work best in the application, and do it for the fair value that we provide and the ability to service the customer 24 hours a day, day in and day out.
We want to go beyond what our customers' expectations are.
They know that they're going to get an answer right away, and they know that they're going to get the truth, and they know they're going to get the part when they need it.
If a customer wants you to get something for them, and it's really more about just taking care of them, then you just do that. If you've been around a long time, you know where things are and you know how to get them, and customers need to be taken care of, so that's what you do.
We could be anywhere at any time and get the quote. You want to call me at 2 in the morning, I can log into the company computer and get you an answer.
One of the things that we take a lot of pride in with the knowledge base that we have is getting customers back to the manufacturer who made the product.
We have authorization to buy all the bearings, the phase paper, everything that goes into the motor, and we don't have to outsource it. Therefore, we can pass the savings along to the customer instead of building that cost into the repair themselves.
All the guys today are walking around with the latest iPhones and the latest iPads.
Walking into the customer, they can show the customer their previous sales, what the history is, the cost savings that we've done for them, because most customers probably have that information sitting on their desk. We can show that to them off the iPad. Taking pictures of applications and sending it over here to one of our inside guys in order to, you know, fit it and price it and quote it is also a great thing.
That's just forward thinking. You know, any company who's not using the latest technology that's available to them, eventually it's just going to get left behind.
All of our orders, all of our quotes, all the customer's information is on the iPads themselves, where we're pulling that technology, refreshing it every 20 minutes. So we have a live snapshot of what's going on within the organization.
We can save them 10 minutes by not having to get back to them and giving them the answers right away so that they can make a decision and get that off their plate. You know, that's invaluable to them.
From inside the shop, we continually are looking at the latest technology to drive out waste and inefficiency in our processes. We purchased last year an advanced winding analyzer. This allows us to take basically a snapshot of the motor when it comes in our shop and when it goes out. So we have full documentation or a live living birth certificate for every motor that's come in. We test it electrically, and we know, if there's any issues with it in the field, we're able to take the test equipment out to the field and see, does that motor look any different electrically when it left our facility than what it is today, where they may be having an issue in the field.
Well, if it's a three-phase motor, we have equipment that we can test the windings to see if they're bad before we even take it apart. That way you have an idea of what's the matter with it. If it tests okay, then we can run the motor and then determine if it's a mechanical issue or electrical issue.
We'll take and test run it to see if it sounds noisy. If it is noisy, we'll disassemble, inspect it, and then get a quote to the customer.
We can do any machining back to factory specs. If there's bad keyways or mechanical issues, we can take care of it that way also. Anything that needs to be done, we can do it.
We exceed a lot of our customers' expectations with our turnaround times, really. Their downtime, they're losing money, so we're going to do whatever it takes to get it back to them as fast as possible.
We keep things in stock. The experience of the guys in our shop, 33 years, 32 years, 31 years, even 13 years. These guys are some of the best in the business.
We'll come in anytime, night and day, if it's an emergency breakdown. Weekends, sometimes we work all weekend to get the jobs done. We do quality work. We do it as soon as the customer needs it, we get it back to them.